sisters and brothers of America.
I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world.
I thank you in the name of the Mother of Religions.
I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people.
I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world tolerance.
We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true. As different streams flow from different sources and finally reach the same ocean.
So all ultimately lead to the same divine truth.
Sectarianism, bigotry, and fanaticism have long possessed this beautiful earth.
I hope this gathering will be the death knell of fanaticism.